Hello everyone, let's continue chapter 15, Some Natural Phenomena. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is earthquake prone areas. Since the earthquakes are caused by the sliding of the plates due to the pressure built under the plate joints, the plate joints are understood as the weak zones, which can easily give way to earthquakes. Thus, plate joints are called seismic zones or the fault zones. The places situated above the plate joints are called earthquake-prone areas. The places in India which are most likely to suffer earthquakes anytime are Central Himalayas, Western Himalayas, Kashmir, whole of Northeast India, Kutch, Indo-Gangetic Plain and Rajasthan. A few areas in South India also fall in danger zone. Next is protection against earthquakes. An earthquake strikes suddenly, violently without warning at any time of the day or night. If an earthquake occurs in a populated area, it can cause death and injuries and property loss. It is therefore important that we identify the potential hazards beforehand and take necessary precautions to protect ourselves as best as we can. People living in seismic zones where the earthquake is most likely to occur have to be especially prepared. So first is, all the buildings in seismic zones should be specially designed so that they can withstand tremors or the earthquakes. It is advisable to make the structure simple so that it is quake safe. Buildings may catch fire. It is necessary that all the buildings should have their firefighting equipment in proper order. Safer places indoors as well as outdoors must be clearly identified. Then, an emergency communication plan should be made available to everyone. Disaster management supplies such as flashlights, first aid box should be easily available. Now let's know protection for a person present inside a building. Take shelter under a table and stay there till the shaking stops. Stay away from tall and heavy objects that may fall on you. Do not get up if you are in bed. Protect your head with pillows. Stay indoor until shaking stops, and then it is safe to move outside. Most of injuries occur when people inside the building attempts to move to a different location within the building or try to leave it. So stay there where you are. If you are outdoors, look for a place away from trees, poles, power lines, buildings and hoardings. Drop to the ground till the tremors stop.